Now, the way we're going to play these notes is we're going to start at the E flat. Then we're going to jump down to C. Then we'll climb our way back up to E flat again, and then repeat over and over again. So we've got E flat, C, D flat, D. Repeat, E flat, C, D flat, D, and so on. Like that. Believe it or not, that's the entire left-hand part. It's this nice walking bass line pattern.
The notes keep going around and around in a loop, which is why I call this exercise the Bluesy loop.
And now for the right-hand part. Simply play anything you want as long as you play only black notes. That's it. Now, I know that the idea of something so open-ended might seem kind of scary to some people, but there's no pressure. You don't have to play super fast. You don't have to play anything super complicated. You can just sort of, take your time and start small and just work through it at a pace that's comfortable for you. That's really it, and as simple as the setup is for this, I really think that it serves as a great vehicle for exploring and developing your creativity. All right, so let's check out a simple example first. So I'll put my left hand into position, I'll start on E flat, and I'll get the loop going. Now I'm going to improvise using black notes with my right hand. And so on. As you get more comfortable with things, you can speed up the tempo in your left hand and or play more complicated things in the right hand. Here's an example. And so on. You can also play more than one note at a time. I really like using two-note combinations, things like this. That kind of thing. So you could do... and so on. All right, 2 quick tips. Number 1, if you're having trouble getting both hands to work together on this, simplify the right hand part, at least for now. If you're finding that you're having trouble keeping the left hand bass line going, there's a good chance that it's because you're doing too much in the right hand. Tip number 2, think dooba dooba. Now this is just sort of a quick mental image to help you to get a sense of swing in this. I'm literally going to sort of think or feel or maybe even say out loud dooba 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 to give my brain the sense of, the long short quality that we feel in music that is swung like this. So it overlaps the bass line like this. Dooba 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 dooba. If you can think that way, then I think that can help you to play with swing feel. Like, playing it all the way would be dooba 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 dooba, and so on. Of course, you don't have to play so many notes, but if you continue to think dooba dooba, it can help. Dooba 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 dooba, and so on.
Don't forget to download the PDF for this lesson.